The 1 to 7 series is an ideal cleaning companion for any workplace seeking compliance with stringent health and safety standards. For your safety, ensure the appropriate PPE is worn. 1. Active O Concentrated Spray and Wipe Cleaner is a concentrated cleaner that removes greasy soil from all surfaces that are not affected by water. 2. Vitality Complete Washroom Maintainer removes scum and stains from toilet bowls, urinals, wash basins, and washroom floors. 3. Accent Musk Commercial Grade Disinfectant is a quaternary ammonium-based germicidal disinfectant. 4. Versadet Concentrated Neutral Cleaner is a concentrated cleaner for all general areas. 5. Active SRA Heavy Duty Soil Removing Agent is designed for heavy duty cleaning of food service areas. 6. Status Non-Smear Glass Cleaner cleans and brightens windows, mirrors, and all stainless steel and glazed surfaces. 7. S-Clean Surface Sanitizer is a non-rinse surface sanitizer for use on food preparation areas. Extra hot water will melt the internals of the dilution station. Please ensure only cold or warm water is used. Unscrew the dispenser and replacement bottle lids and remove the empty bottle. Place the hose in the new bottle before tightening the dispenser lid.